How to enable data saver mode on all of the Android application. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so in this video, we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by opening up your settings application for that. And once you go to your settings application, you can look out for network connections and basically look out for data saver mode. It should be under data users, so tap on it and look out for data saver option right here. So you can make this option right here. You can turn it on, switch to the on position, and once you do so, what you need to do is basically enable the data saver mode on all the application. So we have the option to allow unrestricted applications, optional but recommended. So what you can do is you can just go over and look out for the data saver option and allowed, tap on this, and here you will be finding all of the applications. So you just need to toggle on the apps you need to function normally, like WhatsApp, Gmail, banking applications, even when data saver is active. So for that, you can find that particular application, and once you find it up, you can just go over and turn it on. For example, Meet. So I can turn this option on right here, and the application will function normally even when the data saver is mode for the applications. You can just go over and do so. If not this, you can access the quick settings panel as well and basically find the toggle option for the data saver here. And once you find the data saver option here, you can just go over and turn on that option, and that should also probably work for you. So that is it, everybody. That is how you do it. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.